Hi, welcome to another BitYard exchange tutorial. If you're new to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll teach you how to do spot trading on BitYard exchange for beginners. BitYard is the world's leading cryptocurrency contracts exchange. They are headquartered in Singapore. The company provides safe, easy, and fast crypto asset trading services in more than 150 countries. BitYard adheres to the product concept of complex contracts simple trade and aims to bring ultimate simplified trading experience to customers. By the way, if you haven't registered, check video description for the sign up link and get up to 258 USDT welcome bonus. All you have to do is to complete certain tests to claim beginners and trading bonuses. Okay, let's get to the video. Tap on spot trading. In this section, you'll see available trading pairs in USDT. You can filter tokens via DeFi coins, proof of stake or POS, grayscale assets, and Binance Smart Chains tokens. In this part, you will see the buy and sell button where you can execute spot trading. This part shows you your available balance and the current price of the token. Here, you see the live price chart, and the middle part will be the market chart. Now, let me pick my trading pairs. Let me choose Luna/USDT under DeFi tokens. You can also set the chart in 1 minute, 5 minutes, and so on to study the chart. Now, let me show you how to buy tokens on spot trading. In this section, you'll see its current price. Input the amount you want to purchase. Though you can use this set the amount 20, 50, 75, or 100%. Let me use all my USDT. So I will configure it 100%. Once decided, you click on buy. Here, you'll see your open orders, order history, trade history, and your fund balance. This is the one we just traded. You can also see the buy price, and if you change your mind, you can still cancel it if it's not yet fulfilled. Now, let's set a selling price for our spot trade. In this way, once the coin hits the target price, it will be sold automatically for you to take profit. Let me set it to $16 and 100% as well. Though you can just leave your token on your spot wallet and sell it when you feel you have enough profit, or you just hodl it in long term. Once decided, tap on sell. Then it will show on your open order. Once the price hits $16, the system will automatically execute the trade. Alright, that's how you do spot trading on BitYard exchange. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, smash the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you on my next video.